Thanks for watching. This is Robert Galarowitz, naturopath, nutritionist, kidney survivor. Still have my AV fistula from when I was on dialysis many years ago. And I started this company, these videos, everything we do, my passion, my life's mission is to help other people with kidney disease and also help myself because I never want to go back to dialysis again because I've been living with a kidney transplant for 18 years, many years longer than what they estimated I would have it at. So let's get into this video today. And if you haven't, make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay on top of all this great kidney benefiting information that we give out. So today we're going to reference a study, effect of sodium bicarbonate supplementation on the renin-angiotensin system in patients with chronic kidney disease and metabolic acidosis, a randomized clinical trial that was published in the Journal of Nephrology, October 2021. So what did they do in this study? Okay, they found people that had metabolic acidosis, which is too much acid buildup. The way to tell that you have that is you got to look at your blood work and check the CO2 level, or sometimes they call it the carbon dioxide level. Don't think your doctor is checking everything and addressing it. They find that in studies, they find a very large amount of nephrologists and medical doctors never address metabolic acidosis. And if you don't address it, you can lose kidney function, and the estimates are up to 30% faster. So that's a lot. So it's definitely something that needs to be addressed. So you want to look in your blood work for the carbon dioxide or CO2 level. If it's 24 or under, they recommend taking some sodium bicarbonate. Now, this level of 24, over the years, they've been increasing it higher and higher, where metabolic acidosis before was considered like 22 or 23 or less. Now it's 24 or less. And I think as time goes on and with a lot more research coming out, they're showing that sodium bicarbonate has great benefits. Even if you're not technically metabolic acidosis, if you're borderline or even like normal, just barely normal, it's still providing a lot of benefits. So what they looked at in this study was they took people in stage 4 kidney disease. And they had that carbon dioxide CO2 ranges from 15 to 24. And they gave them a pretty high dose of sodium bicarbonate. It was up to 3,000 milligrams a day, which is pretty high. Generally, we don't start with those amounts. But this shows you that it's safe, this study. It has good kidney benefits. Everybody may not need those high amounts. I generally recommend starting lower and building up. But they found that people that took sodium bicarbonate, it didn't have an effect on the renin-angiotensin system, which has to do with blood pressure, and they were looking for excretion of a lot of those compounds. But what they did find was that it corrected the metabolic acidosis, which we know it does, but it also increased the excretion of ammonium, which is a product that has to do with acid buildup. So sodium bicarbonate corrected that metabolic acidosis, and we know from other studies it's going to preserve kidney function. Plus, it helped the urinary excretion, getting rid of more of that ammonium. And I can tell you from other research, sodium bicarbonate helps get rid of a lot of other acid products, toxin buildup, metabolic toxins that can benefit. So it's something that you might want to consider. You really should consider it and look at your labs to see if you need it because it's super important. It's so important to correct this metabolic acidosis. And even the major nephrology and kidney societies even say that most medical doctors aren't addressing it. And I can't tell you the amount of people that come into Healthy Kidney Inc. and they get their blood work. Oh, look, metabolic acidosis. Let's correct it. Let's get those kidneys healthier. Let's get you healthier. Let's help you avoid dialysis. So a lot of videos. We got lots of blogs on our website. We have a lot of products, good things to support kidney health. So check out our website at healthykidneyinc.com. Look at all our videos here on tons of topics. You know, we cover so much to help support good kidney health because I don't want you to have to go what I went through with kidney failure dialysis. But if you do, if it's inevitable, at least you can go through that way healthier, feeling much better with a better quality of life. Thanks for watching, everybody, and to your best kidney health. Bye.